Hello guys. Okay, I will explain how to compress videos using the Panda application. Besides using Google Drive, many applications can compress video. One of time is using this Panda application. Okay, check it out. First step, download and install the Panda Videos Compressor application first on Play Store. After you install the application, open the Panda Video Compressor application as usual and select the video that you want to decompress. Okay, next select the specify the video size you want. Even in the application you can determine the quality and size of the video that you want to compress. Okay, on the application a process compress. Okay, after you choose the quality of the video the video is ready to be compressed. Wait until the compression process is complete. The compression process doesn't take long. Please click save to finish. Okay. The great thing about the Panda Video Compressor application is that you will be notified before and after the result of the video that you compressed. Very cool. Alright.